Alright, finna break down 3 trades I took today. 2 break evens. Third one was break even as well, but I secured some profits just to get my winning days and just to get some up on the day, grow my account a little bit more. So first play, I really like just because it was a discretional play. Um, so right here, we have this data high on both sides. Both of them swept out at market open at 8:30. You can tell we rip up. We missed NWOG on both sides. We didn't hit it yet, so there was a 30-minute down here. The data lows, a 15-minute gap as well to target to then send us higher. So I was looking for us to target those, get out, and then just take my play there. But unfortunately, I got break even after NQ tapped the 30-minute. That's why I went break even. And then we sat there and chopped around, tagged me out break even just by literally like a tick, flushed down for the 1-to-1. Well, actually, I would have got break even here on this candle. It was a random spike. So I got break even here, flush down to my 1-to-1, but it was a perfect long setup after that. So that's what I did take again. So pretty much what it was a stop hunt into the 30-minute gap again, but tapping the fresh 15-minute gap. ES at the time was not doing anything, so I was not really liking that in a sense. But the only thing I did like was that at this time ES is still up. They're just chopping up and chopping upwards here again, and I was thinking that that's when we'd go to NWOG and all-time highs again. Um, so that's where I took this long here. There's a 1-minute IVG that you could have taken, but I didn't take that one. I waited, or I took the 30-second here, just because it was a bigger gap. So I took the 30-second here. I got in, but for whatever reason, it filled me in here. So it was unfortunate that we got here. I set my break even to here at the random spike in the market. Go break even here. 2 candles down, tick me out literally by like another tick. So 2 brutal break evens. So if I would have got in here where I placed my order at, then that would have been fine. I wouldn't have been stopped out. I would have hit for 1-to-1 easily. Um, but you can tell, did not get that. Got the break even, and then this is when I took my last play, uh, which I really liked as well. So right here we had, let's see here. All right, let me delete all this real quick, be a little bit more clear. All right, so here we had this 5-minute gap right here. Had this 5-minute gap. We have already tapped that. Inverse is 5-minute gap here, so we're showing signs that we want to go lower because we're respecting bearish right now, disrespecting bullish is that gap right there. Disrespected it, opened up a 5, came back and tapped a 5, got a nice dump down, but we didn't do anything there. As you can tell, ES is still chopping. They haven't hit any of their draws. You know, we got 30 minutes down here. Data down low here too, equal lows, Asia lows, London lows. We have plenty of draws to go downstairs. So after we tapped it, went down, didn't resweep any of the legs. ES not doing anything, but I can tell that they're wanting to slowly go down. So I was like, I'll give shorts another shot. We tap the 5-minute, we go back up, and here we resweep this high, leaving SMT with ES. 30-second inverse here, boom, as you can tell. And then once we edged this swing low here, that is when I went break even, because ES was still right here. Where they at? Yeah, ES was here. They couldn't even get past this swing low here. So that's when I went break even, because we are now back inside the 30-minute and 15-minute gap, and we should just flush lower. And I wanted to secure profits at least a winning day. 34. This was my 1-to-1. Should have been another break even, but I put the screen recording at the end of this video. Once we got down here and was respecting this wick, I was like, all right, whatever. So I think I had my TP was trailing here. I was up like, I was gonna secure the 150 for sure. And then we got a little bit better of a push down, and I secured 500 on the day. Um, and that's about it. I mean, NQ, I mean, they should be ripping. I mean, these lows look really good to target, send us higher. ES is finally getting that push down. It was just kind of a choppy market today, just moving really slow. So to be able to catch, three good plays today is pretty good in my opinion. More of discretional plays, but I mean, three plays a day. I don't really do that ever, but two of them being a break even. Third one should have been a break even, but securing profits. So I mean, none of them would have got stopped out. So, I mean, I like today. I like what I took today, and I'll continue to keep on doing that. So, we'll see tomorrow. I think I need like a couple more winning days to secure another payout, and then we'll see and go from there.